Ever feel like you've got huge dreams, but absolutely zero energy to chase them? You keep telling yourself, tomorrow I'll start, but somehow tomorrow never comes. You're not lazy, you're just stuck. You want to write a book, get fit, or learn something new, but instead you end up scrolling through your phone or watching TV. Why does this happen? It's not because you don't care, it's because your brain sees big tasks as threats. So it chooses comfort over challenge. But the good news is, laziness is not your identity. It's just a habit, and habits can change. So how do you beat it? Step 1, make the task small. Want to write a book? Just write one sentence today. Want to work out? Just do 5 push-ups. Climbing any mountain starts with one step. Step 2, build easy routines. Don't rely on willpower, it fades. Set up habits that make action automatic. Want to drink more water? Keep a bottle next to your bed. Want to read more? Put the book on your pillow. Step 3, use the 2-minute rule. Tell yourself, I'll just do it for 2 minutes. Open the book, clean one corner. Once you start, momentum takes over. It's like pushing a ball downhill. The first push is hard, then it rolls. Here's a bonus tip, reward yourself. After you complete your 2 minutes, celebrate in a small way. Listen to a song, stretch, take a deep breath. That positive reward trains your brain to like starting. And remember this, the people you admire started small too. They struggled, failed, but kept going. You don't need to be perfect, you just need to start and stay consistent. Even the tiniest effort done regularly will create massive change. So what's one small thing you can do today? Don't wait for the perfect moment. Start now. Your dreams are waiting. Subscribe for more SelfLoop power. This is your moment. Start small.